Hey, what's going on YouTube? First video of 2020. Notice anything new about the Mercedes? Have you noticed it yet? That's right. Finally got around to getting some winter tires and rims. So these are 17-inch aftermarket rims from Tire Rack. Same with the tires. These are Michelin Latitude XI2s. As you can see, didn't want to focus. And right down here, looking at the tread pattern, it's got all these sipes. It's got micro pumps up here to evacuate water and snow. And what happens with a winter tire or a snow tire is they basically collect snow and they use snow to stick to other snow, and that's how winter tires work. These have a warranty for 40,000 miles. And I've read the reviews. Some people say they prefer Blizzaks over these. But just for the warranty, I prefer the Michelins over Blizzaks. So I've got Blizzaks on the Mousemobile. These are the WS80s. As you can see, they've been through one previous winter season, so this is the second winter season on them. I think I'm going to replace them next winter season with WS90s. I've seen some videos of people testing that tire. So, yep, I think that's what I'm going to go with. Because once you've bought the rims, all you got to do is buy the tires when they're ready to be replaced. So that's much less expensive than having to obviously get a whole new set of wheels and tires. Because, some people are indecisive about how their winter rims look. And really, if you've got common sense, you wouldn't buy more than one set of winter rims because, you're not using them for more than 4 months at most, possibly 5 depending on where you live. So that's less than half the year. But yeah, we finally got around to getting winter tires. So this is now the safest vehicle in the household. 4-wheel drive, winter tires, absolutely unstoppable. Now I haven't done any real snow testing yet because with Illinois weather lately, we've been getting snow and then it's been melting the next couple of days, and then we get more snow and then it melts and the cycle continues. So, really, I didn't need to put my winter tires on in November, but I did because we were getting snow and it was extremely cold for the conditions at the time. So, better to be safe than sorry. But yeah, as for the Mercedes, it's got 30,500 something miles on it. And this Ford, we're just racking up miles on it. It's got 5,718 already in 5 months. Yeah, so roughly around 15,000 miles a year. So in a couple of years, this car will already have more miles than the Mercedes, which is good because, we're trying to make this thing last 10 years, and we've had it for a little over 3. We bought it in December of 2016. So, yep. And last year we made changes. We replaced the run-flat Pirellis with Michelin Defenders. So this is for those of you guys who are new. If you've been following the channel for a while, you already know this. And now we've got winter tires. We've had these put on yesterday. Yesterday was also my birthday. So that was quite an interesting day, Went to the sugar factory for lunch. Went to B-Dubs for dinner right after getting the winter tires put on. So I contributed $800 to these tires. The total cost with the tire pressure monitoring systems, the fees, the rims, and the tires, it was like $1,400. So this was mainly a Christmas gift to my mother because I wrecked her car last year. Well, I didn't wreck it, but I hit the curb and it damaged one of the rims because the tires on it at the time were the cause of an accident. Either they hardened up and I didn't get good grip on ice, or it was just the fact that all-season tires are not good in ice or snow at all. I mean, they can handle light snow, but yeah, I wouldn't rely too heavily on all-season tires in deep snow. That's why we got these, in case of emergencies like that. But anyway, that's all for this video. I'm gonna be making more videos with this car in the future. I haven't been doing videos on the Mercedes lately in terms of driving. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the thumbs up in the face, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications, do what you do best, and peace out until next time.